This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your mobile data on your Android phone. So a lot of times you can just swipe down from the top right and you will have a little button in here that will say mobile data on or something like that. So we can just scroll through here and we can try to find it. Now you can hit the little option right here and you can scroll on down. If it's not on by default, you can just select it under this menu. So you can just look for mobile data and just see if it's under here. Now if you don't find anything like that, it will be a lot easier to just go to settings. Then you can go to network and internet. Now mine is located under SIMs, so if I go to SIMs and it's got my phone number on here, so I'll do like this. You can see half my screen. You have the option for mobile data right here. We can just turn it on or off if you go to the SIM section. So just go right there and you'll see the option to turn off or on mobile data. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.